Hi my Color Pops, and welcome back to Color's Destiny. To all of my subbies that I have thus far, I thank you so much for your love and your support. I thank you for liking the videos. I thank you for sharing the videos. I thank you for the comments that you're leaving. Trust me, I see who you are. My channel is growing and it's only because of you, and I thank you. To anyone that is stopping by, I thank you very much for stopping by, but please don't be shy. Please don't be a stranger. Please subscribe to the channel, and beside the subscribe button you will see a bell. That bell is to notify you when I post a new video. So any device that you watch YouTube on, whether it be your phone, your tablet, your computer, your television, it will notify you that I posted a new video. Okay? Today, girl, I've been having a lot of problem with the lighting. The sun keeps coming and it goes and it comes and it goes. So throughout the video, if I seem a little lighter or darker, that's the reason. I was just struggle bugs today. So this look is created for my prom gals, and I decided to go with a pretty neutral look on the eyes because I figured it would probably go with every attire. Now if you are needing to change it up, anything that I put on my eyes, you don't have to use this palette. Anything that I use on my eyes, you would just switch out the color. So I use pretty much a yellow. You could, if you're wearing pink, you can do the same with the brown and the pink. It's pretty easy. Follow, slow down the video, pause the video, do whatever you have to do to create this look. And if you like what you see, please watch to the end. Catch you in my next video. Love you.
Okay, so the only palette I'll be using in this video is a P. Louise palette. The first color that I will be laying down is called Slay, the champagne color. I'm just using this for my brow bone. Now I know that most of you don't have this palette, so you can go ahead and use any other champagne color that will mimic this look. Now after I've blended and brought down the brow bone color just so that the other color will marry with it nicely, I'm going to go ahead and add this mustard yellow. It is called P. Louise, and again, use any mustard yellow that you have. Don't go out and splurge on a palette just for a particular look. Now as you can see, what I did at first is I pat the color on, only because with this eye base it's a little bit sticky. So I have to pat it and then go in windshield wiper motions to blend it out. And here you can see that it creased. So I am blending it out so that anything that I put down will be seamless. So you just want to add that yellow and blend into the champagne color so that everything is seamless. Now guys, I'm not sure if everyone wants to hear my voice in every single tutorial. I do list all the colors here for you, and I do list everything in the description box below. So, oops, I just sneezed. So if you want to hear me explain through the tutorial, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I will. But for the most part, everything is listed, and all you have to do is slow the video down, pause it, and you will get the gist of how to create these looks. Now 9 out of 10 times when you're blending your colors, you will lose some of the color. So you just want to work in the reverse and go back and add the color that you lost. And this is what I'm doing here. So I'm adding the latte, then I'm adding the orange, then I'm adding some yellow, but not too heavy-handed. Now guys, I did say that I wasn't going to do too much in the voiceover, but I just want to make sure all my dolls get it correct. So in the outer V of your eye, you want to add some latte. And I went ahead and also added a little bit of the Bestie, which is a deeper brown, just to deepen it up a little bit more. And just stay focused on the outer V. Okay, my dolls, so the hardest part of this look is really to cut the crease, and practice does make perfect. Don't beat up on yourself too much. Just make sure that you have a flat brush. So you're going to want to flatten out your brush the best you can, and you want to do so by putting the product on the back of your hand, working the brush into it and just flattening it out. Now here I'm using the LOUISE base, but if you don't have that, go ahead and use a concealer or any other eye base that you have. So when you're cutting your crease, make sure that you do not set it, because you want anything that you put down to stick to it. Make sure that you blend it out so anything that you put on top will go on smoothly. Wing liner complete, and my lashes are on, and these lashes are from Fancy French. The link will be in the description box below. So to complete our eye look, I'm just lining my waterline with a black eyeliner, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use Latte, and then I'll be using LOUISE. Yes guys, here is where the sun started to do some wonky stuff and it just wasn't letting me live, but it wasn't too bad. I thought it was going to be worse than this. So I am using my NARS blush, and I do apologize because the color on the back rubbed away, and I don't know the name of the color, but it is a dusty rose color, and it does have some gold reflexes in it. Now here is where I decided that the lippy that I chose was not the look I was going for. I added butter rum on top, and it's from Grande lips. It's actually a plumping liquid lipstick. It doesn't tingle or anything like, well, it tingles, but it doesn't burn. It's I want to say it's like a bricky color, but it went really well with the pink that I laid down first. Now you guys seen me wear this hair before. It's a Glamorous Extensions. I did leave a link in my description box below. I did give you the incorrect length on the hair when I initially had it. It was a 22 inch and I cut it into a bob. So now you've seen it long, you've seen it short and wavy, and now I'm straightening it out.